This was our second day, night time in Cairo, and this was a New Year night as well. You would surprise to see, as it was surprising for us as well, shocking at the same time, that how people were on the street. They were very well dressed, looking very nice, and they all were coming in the groups and gathering to celebrate together. Um, At the same time, it was quite confusing for all of us that where they are actually walking to, where they are actually heading to. So we decided to go to the Nile River and see if we could, find any sort of the firework or any celebration, or maybe they all are also heading to the same. So we also joined the track and we tried to roam around the street, had a great time having food and drinks. I think it's a most happening street throughout. We already heard a lot about Cairo city, specifically this Tahrir Square, which is known for the happening streets, and we literally found that.
Where are we? We are at Nile River waiting for the fireworks.
Just look at the crowd, guys. They're gathered here at Nile River. Just observe the energy is so electrifying. Everyone is cheering for the New Year nights. Specifically, they're waiting for the fireworks. We are also. And excitement is contagious. This moment has got such a powerful vibes. Well, it is clear to us that this nation is truly looking forward to this time of the year and has a deep love of celebrations. Look at these guys. I mean, people of all ages I have seen that they have filled the street, whether in groups or friends or family. They're singing along the song, celebrating. Just look at their just honking their car horns in pure joy to celebrate. And of course, when it comes to the celebration, how about the street food? Especially the street food was perfect addition to the celebration. Nevertheless, Egyptian food is our all-time favorite, top listed. So whether it's a delicious BBQ, when it comes to the kebabs and everything, or why not the ice cream? Yes, everything is set to go.
अच्छा जी तुम्हारी ओरियो कहाँ पे बन रही है कहाँ पे खा रहे हो बताओ
Sinbad. Where are you eating?
In Sinbad and Egypt, Cairo.
It was around 3 a.m. at night, and can you see the honking of the cars? Still, the people are on the street. I couldn't sleep actually, so I just got up to check what is going on, and this is here what it is. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.